Hello everyone. In this we will see our next problem, which is squares of a sorted array. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, which is increasing order, return the array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. So input, we are given input this way. So nums equal to this. These integers are in sorted order, and we have to square these integers and return those elements. While returning those elements, the array should be in sorted order. Since these negative numbers, when we do square, those will come, order of them will be changed. So we have to rearrange the given array after squaring. So with normal, the like using this method, we can make it we can sort out in just order of n. So let's see how this will work. So here, what uh, initially what we will take answer equal to, we create an array of size, the given array size for storing our answer, and initially k is equal to length of uh, k will point to last element. So for example, just let me take. So initially, k will point to last index, and here we'll take two indexes, I and j. I will point to first index, and j will point to last index, and we will run a while loop until I is less than or equal to j. So in while loop, we will compare the element at ith place and element at jth place. So we'll be doing absolute value. So we'll be comparing 4 and 10 here. 10 is greater, so here, since we are doing absolute, so this will become 4 instead of -4. And since here 10 is greater, we'll be squaring the 10 and we'll be storing in answer of k, which is at last index. And then we are sorry, here it will come into else condition, because for 10 is greater than 4. So here we'll be storing 100, and then we are doing j minus minus, and then k plus k minus minus. K will point to the last but one index, and then again it will we will be comparing 4 and 3. 4 is greater, so we'll be storing 16 here, and we are doing I plus plus, and I will come here, and then again we'll be checking 3 and -1. 3 is greater, so again we are doing square of 3, which is 9, and we are storing 9 here, and then we are go making j minus minus again. Now j will point to this, and I will be pointing to this, and again we will be comparing 1 and 0. 1 is greater, so again 1 is we are doing square of 1, and we are storing 1 here, and we are doing I plus plus. So I will now point to 0, and now like 0 will be compared with 0 itself, and it will go inside this else condition, and it will do the square of 0, and which will be 0. And then the iteration will end here, because here j will j minus here j will become minus minus, so j will now point to this, and I will be pointing to this. Since I is not less than or equal to j, this iteration will end, and in answer array we will be having our answer, and we will be just returning our answer. Since here we are traveling through the array only once, it will take the time complexity of only order of n, and the space complexity is also order of n, because here we are using the extra array for storing the our answer. And yeah, that's it for this problem, and I'll share the solution and this image link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.